Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to Exploit Security. As always, I'm your host, Scott, and today we're going to be picking up where we left off, which is OverTheWire Natas Level 9. So if you haven't worked your way through the previous challenges or you just want to check out the video, please do. I already have that content up on my YouTube channel as well. I also have some other good stuff hosted by OverTheWire Bandit, and OverTheWire Leviathan. A little bit different from Natas. Natas is web application based. With Leviathan and Bandit, you're going to be working in a terminal or command line interface. Full disclosure, if you have not tried to solve Natas Level 9 on your own, I strongly encourage that you try, as this video will give you the solution at the end. With that being said, if you're stuck and you just can't make it any more forward than you already are, you are in the right spot. I will go ahead and show you the challenge by the end of this video. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. Right off the bat, we have an input field. We can type in just a keyword, hit that search radio to see what happens. And any word containing Perl is returned in the output. So we can also do, let's try Fox just to show another example. Again, any word containing Fox comes back in. We can also try in, right? I'm just trying to show some difference in examples. And then anything containing in is returned, right? So this is probably a pretty big list it's working through. Just go ahead and do it the lazy way. And we'll just type in pickle. And then let's do right click on source code, open a new tab. Again, similar to the previous levels, we have some PHP, and it's looking like the keyword we submit is being ingested and assigned the key variable, or assigned to the key variable. And then we can see here we have a if check, and essentially as long as it is not blank, it will grep through and look for the keyword that is assigned to the key variable within a file called dictionary.txt. One thing to note is there's nothing here to validate or sanitize, right? So in theory, I could put special characters in here. There's nothing there to ensure that I'm not adding special characters or anything like that. So I'm thinking possible command injection, but what we can do is we can take this dictionary.txt and we can see if we can find that as well. I'm just going to remove everything after org, drop in dictionary.txt. And yep, right off the bat, you can see we are brought to that dictionary text word list. Now, there's a lot of different things you can do to try to see if the password is in this word list. You can just do a quick scan, right? We know that the Natas level has a format for their passwords. So you can do a quick scan and see if anything pops out to your eye and then just stop on it. You could probably do a curl request, put together some sort of script to check it. You could copy all this and save it into a text file and put together some script to check it. A lot of different things you could do. I'm almost willing to bet that it's not going to be in here. Just from the quick scroll, it's not in there. But what I am thinking is just a command injection. So we can just test that out by just doing semicolon and then just do ls and then hit enter. And then right off the bat, our output is dictionary.txt. So what this is telling me is, yes, we do have command injection, and the only thing within that current working directory is dictionary.txt. We can further test this by just doing a semicolon ls and then looking in etc. This is typically where the password file is, especially for these challenges. And then you also have etc password, which is where the password file for Linux distros are. So go ahead and hit search. And right off the bat, we can see all the subdirectories hosted in here. One thing we could do is we could go cat etc password. Oh, I screwed up somewhere. Let me try that again. Cat etc password. There we go. We now have the password file. We could then try to view the shadow file as well. You can use those to get the credential to log in. which I believe it is like that. The other thing too is typically with OverTheWire, their password file is stored in Etsy, but it's in a different directory. And we can just do a quick scroll so we know Natas is a keyword. Right here we have Natas Pass and Natas Web Pass. So let's try Natas Pass first. So semicolon, ls, I'm going to do LA, Etsy, Natas_pass. And we have that dictionary.txt file and nothing else contained in there. So again, I'm just going to click that since it's been cached, and I'll do web pass. And there we go. We have what looks like the password files for everything. So from there, we can just do semicolon. We can do cat, Etsy, Natas_web pass, and then Natas 10. And there we go. This is the correct format for Natas 10. So let's go ahead and just test that theory out. We'll remove everything after org. We'll replace that 9 in the URL with 10. Natas 10, drop in that password, and there we go. We're on Natas 10. So that actually completes Natas level 9. Again, I'm just going to probably jump right into another video, and we're going to start working our way through a couple videos. But make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Goes a long way. And there you have it. We are now on Natas level 10. So I'm going to go ahead and stop here, and the next video will pick up on Natas 10. I think I'm going to do the videos separate this time just to make it easier for everyone to ingest each video at a time. Let me know what you think about that in the comments section below. Other than that, really good content for Natas Bandit and Natas Leviathan, or excuse me, OverTheWire Bandit. And there you have it. There is the password for Natas level 9, and we have made our way to Natas 10. So I'm going to go ahead and stop it here. The next video we will pick up in OverTheWire Natas level 10. If you have not checked out my content for OverTheWire Bandit or OverTheWire Leviathan, please do. Really good content there. It's primarily focused around the CLI and Secure Shell. Different challenges on each one, but good content for learning there. Siloed just like Natas is, so it's perfectly suited for beginners. Other than that, if you have any questions, maybe you have some different CTF challenges that you would like to see me dive into. Maybe you're stuck on something and you just need some additional insight. Let me know in the comments section below. Other than that, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, as it does help the channel out quite a bit, and I do really enjoy being able to kind of teach everyone and show everyone all of these challenges, so your support goes a long way. Other than that, I will catch you in the next video. Later, everyone.